Hi everybody, welcome to Boulder Public Library's Baby Time. I am Shannon, joined once again by my demonstration baby. Baby Time is geared for ages 0 to 23 months and an older person who wants to do those songs and action rhymes with the baby. Older person could be anybody from an older brother, sister, sibling, cousin to grandparent, mom, dad, babysitter, anybody who could engage with the child during baby time. Also, if your child is older than 23 months, that is totally fine. They will still get some fun out of baby time. As you know, every baby time we focus on an early literacy skill, and there are 5 of them: read, write, talk, sing, play. Today, we'll be focusing on play. Yay! My baby's super excited about that. We're going to talk about different ways to engage your child in playing and how playing builds early literacy acquisition. The first thing that we're going to do, however, is our wake up feet. We always start waking up our feet just because repetition is good, and we go wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up feet, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. Since we're going to be playing today, maybe we should wake up our hands. My baby's hands are all ready to wake up. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up hands and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. We need to wake up our arms. We're going to be doing some arm movements today. So my baby's arms are moving. My arms are moving. And we say, wake up arms, wake up arms, wake up arms, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up arms, wake up arms, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. The last thing that we're going to need to wake up is our mouths. There's my baby's mouth and my baby's eternal smile. And here is my mouth that does not stay an eternal smile. But we're going to wake up mouth, wake up mouth, wake up mouth, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up mouth, wake up mouth, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job! I feel all woken up. My baby feels all woken up. So the first early literacy tip that I'm going to say to you is that playing with your baby engages all of their senses, from smell to touch to talk, every sense. And the early literacy with playing tip is that playing helps build the imagination, which helps with storytelling and writing and reading later. So you got that connection going on. The first rhyme that we're going to do, and remember, we do every rhyme twice because early literacy is good with repetition. Repetition helps early literacy skills get acclimated to you. We do it twice. My baby is going to start on their back, but if you have a bigger baby, they can sit facing you. They can sit facing away from you, whichever is preferable for you and your baby. But first, my baby's going to start on their back. And this one's called right hand, left hand. I have to remember to keep my baby's right hand and left hand in mind since I want to do my right hand and left hand. And that does not teach the baby anything, does it? So we say right hand, left hand, put them on your head. Right hand, left hand, now put them to bed. Right hand, left hand, put them on your chest. Right hand, left hand, now lay them all to rest. Good job. Now I'm going to do with my baby facing you. This way I know I'll get the same arm correct, right hand and left hand. Right hand, left hand, put them on your head. Right hand, left hand, put them to bed. Right hand, left hand, lay them on your chest. Right hand, left hand. Now put them to rest. And you just cross the little hand. Good job, way to go. Another fun thing about playing with your baby is you could play with your baby anywhere. You could play in the supermarket. You could play peekaboo with your baby. Like hide behind a box of cereal, play peekaboo, or behind the car and pop up. Baby's laughter ringing through the grocery store is always a good sign, a good thing to hear. So play with your baby in public and just let their laughter ring throughout. Okay, good job. Then next one we're going to do is row your boat, which is my absolute favorite rhyme in the entire world. My daughter and I did a short video of just row your boat because I love it so much. Your kid gets to scream and it's just fun for everybody. Remember, we do it twice. The first one, I'm going to actually sit my baby facing me and use their arms, and we're going to go rock back and forth. So we go, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat down the jungle stream. But if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Rock, rock, rock your boat gently to and fro. Watch out, give a shout, into the water you go. Yay, good job. Now I'm going to have my baby on their back. I'm just going to gently rock their arms. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat down the jungle stream. But if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Rock, rock, rock your boat gently to and fro. Watch out, give a shout, into the water you go. Yay! Good job. Good job, everybody. That is the way to go. A good way to play with your baby is to move their body parts or play find your nose, find your toes, find your fingers, find your belly. That's a good game to play that helps them identify body parts and just engages their mind, which helps engage in early literacy mind thinking. That didn't come out right, but we're going with it. Okay, so the next rhyme we're going to do is called Wiggle Your Fingers and Toes. And we're going to clap, we're going to tap our feet, and then we're going to nod our head, and we're going to flap our arms, and we're going to wiggle. So it goes, show me how you clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. And it goes, clap, clap, clap. Show me how you tap your feet. Tap, tap, tap. Now wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Good job. Show me how you nod your head. Nod, nod, nod. Show me how you flap your arms. Flap, flap, flap. Now wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Now we're going to do all of them. Ready? Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Tap your feet. Tap, tap, tap. Nod your head. Nod, nod, nod. Flap your arms. Flap, flap, flap. And wiggle your fingers and toes. Good job. I'm going to deal with my baby on their back. And it says, ready? Show me how you clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Show me how you tap your feet. Tap, tap, tap. Now wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Show me how you nod your head. Nod, nod, nod. Show me how you flap your arms. Flap, flap, flap. Now wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Now let's do them all. Ready? Clap your hands. Tap your feet. Nod your head. Flap your arms. And wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Good job. Yay, everybody. Good job. Another fun and easy thing about playing with your baby is you can play with anything you find lying around the house. Pots and pans, of course, wooden spoons. Weirdly enough, my daughter, when she was younger, liked zip ties. I think because they're bright colors and shiny, and she just was really fascinated by zip ties. Yeah, that's my kid, the weird one. Yay! She still is, which is awesome. Okay, so we are going to read a book now. This one's called Hugs and Kisses for the Grouchy Ladybug. It's by Eric Carle and read with permission of HarperCollins Publishers. Hugs and Kisses for the Grouchy Ladybug. Here we go. Hugs and kisses will make you smile like the crocodile. Look at all their teeth. Oh, can you smile? Oh, nice big smile. Crocodiles go chomp, chomp. What else can we do? They'll make you clap. You clapped your hands. Clap, clap, clap. It's a blue seal. What else can we do? Jump for joy like a brown kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. Let's see. Stand tall like this yellow and brown giraffe. 'Cause really long neck. And swing from treetops. It's like a reddish brown monkey. Look at the ladybugs right in front of him. You just might strut your stuff like this peacock with so many different colors. Kick up your heels like a donkey. He's gray. What does a donkey say? Hee-haw, hee-haw. You might blush. Look at the chameleon is pink. The chameleon is blushing. And feel warm and fuzzy like the brown bear. So remember, just like you, even a grouchy ladybug needs hugs and kisses too. Look, now the ladybug is smiling. Yay! The end. That's all ladybug spots. Thank you, Carl and HarperCollins. Good job. The next thing we're going to do is a rhyme called Horsey, Horsey, Ride With Me. So we just bounce our baby up and down. And we say, Horsey, horsey, ride with me. Across the land and across the sea. Horsey, horsey, ride with me. But do not let me fall. Good job. I'm going to do my baby on their back. Ready? Just bounce them gently. Horsey, horsey, ride with me. Across the land and across the sea. Horsey, horsey, ride with me. But do not let me fall. Yay! Good job. So that takes us to the end of our baby time and our goodbye song. We got to play with our baby by moving body parts, screaming, fun things like that. So our goodbye song is Heart and Soul. And remember, we do 3 different verses. First we bounce, then we rock, and then we hug. Ready? If you have a smaller baby, you could do it in your arms. My baby will still facing you so you can see the unbridled joy on my baby's face. There you go. Heart and soul. I wanna bounce with you, heart and soul. Nobody else will do because I wanna bounce with you. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Heart and soul. I wanna rock with you, heart and soul. Nobody else will do because I wanna rock with you. Ba-bum, 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 heart and soul. I wanna hug with you, heart and soul. Nobody else will do because I wanna hug with you. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Yay, thank you for joining me again today. We'll see you next time. I'll be here virtually for you. I can hardly wait to do this in person. And again, thank you very much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.